Testosterone is one of the most important hormones in the body, playing a crucial role in muscle growth, fat loss, energy levels, mood, and overall well-being. While it's often associated with men, women also need healthy testosterone levels for optimal health. However, due to factors like stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, and aging, testosterone levels can drop, leading to noticeable physical and mental changes. Low testosterone can affect everything from your motivation and focus to your muscle mass and libido. If you've been feeling off lately and suspect your testosterone levels might be low, here are 5 key signs to watch out for, and how to fix it naturally. The first major sign of low testosterone is constant fatigue and low energy levels. If you feel tired all the time, even after a full night's sleep, your testosterone levels could be to blame. Testosterone plays a crucial role in energy production, and when levels drop, you may experience sluggishness, brain fog, and a general lack of motivation. This kind of fatigue is different from just being tired after a long day. It's a persistent exhaustion that doesn't go away, no matter how much rest you get. If you find yourself relying on caffeine, sugar, or energy drinks to get through the day, your body might be struggling with low testosterone. Another common sign is loss of muscle mass and increased body fat. Testosterone is a key hormone for maintaining muscle strength and promoting fat loss. When levels drop, your body starts to lose muscle while gaining fat, especially around the belly. Even if you're working out regularly, you might notice that it's harder to build muscle or that your strength levels are declining. At the same time, you might also notice an increase in stubborn fat that just won't go away. If you're struggling to maintain your physique despite exercising and eating well, low testosterone could be the reason. The third sign of low testosterone is a decline in mood and motivation. Testosterone has a direct impact on brain chemistry, particularly in regulating mood and motivation. Low levels can lead to depression, irritability, anxiety, and even feelings of hopelessness. Many people with low testosterone report feeling unmotivated, disconnected, or just not themselves. This happens because testosterone influences the production of dopamine, a neurotransmitter responsible for pleasure and drive. If you've been feeling emotionally drained, unmotivated, or experiencing sudden mood swings, it could be a hormonal imbalance rather than just stress or lifestyle factors. Another key indicator is low libido and sexual dysfunction. Testosterone plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy sex drive, and when levels decline, so does interest in intimacy. You may experience a reduced desire for sex, difficulty maintaining arousal, or even performance-related issues. While occasional fluctuations in libido are normal, a prolonged drop in sexual interest and function is often linked to hormonal imbalances. This can be frustrating and can also affect confidence and relationships. If you've noticed a significant decrease in your libido or changes in performance, it's worth checking your testosterone levels. The last major sign of low testosterone is poor recovery from workouts and injuries. If you find that your body takes much longer to recover from exercise, or if small injuries linger longer than they should, testosterone deficiency might be the reason. Testosterone plays a key role in muscle repair, bone density, and overall recovery. When levels are low, your body struggles to repair itself efficiently, leading to prolonged soreness, joint pain, and slower healing from injuries. This can make workouts feel more exhausting and can increase the risk of injuries over time. If you recognize these signs, don't panic. There are natural ways to boost testosterone and bring your levels back to normal. The first and most effective way is improving your diet. Focus on whole foods rich in healthy fats, protein, and essential vitamins. Foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and dark leafy greens can help support testosterone production. Avoid processed foods, excessive sugar, and unhealthy fats, which can contribute to hormonal imbalances. Another powerful way to boost testosterone is through strength training and exercise. Lifting weights and doing high-intensity interval training (HIIT) have been shown to naturally increase testosterone levels. Compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses are particularly effective for stimulating hormone production. On the other hand, excessive cardio and lack of resistance training can actually lower testosterone, so it's important to balance your workouts properly. Getting enough sleep is also crucial. Testosterone production happens mostly during deep sleep, so if you're not getting at least 7 to 8 hours of quality rest per night, your levels can drop. Poor sleep leads to increased cortisol, the stress hormone, which directly lowers testosterone. Establish a consistent sleep routine, reduce screen time before bed, and create a relaxing environment to maximize your sleep quality. Reducing stress is another key factor. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which negatively impacts testosterone production. Practice stress management techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or simply taking time for activities you enjoy. Spending time outdoors, especially in sunlight, can also help boost testosterone naturally, as vitamin D plays a crucial role in hormone production. Lastly, avoid alcohol and excessive caffeine. Alcohol, especially in large amounts, can lower testosterone and increase estrogen, leading to hormonal imbalances. While occasional drinking is fine, frequent alcohol consumption can significantly affect testosterone levels. Similarly, excessive caffeine can increase cortisol, which in turn suppresses testosterone. Moderation is key when it comes to these substances. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more health and fitness tips.